This is ant. Spelling is A-N-T. Ant. This is ball. Spelling is B-A-L-L. This is cat. Spelling is C-A-T. Cat. This is dog. Spelling is D-O-G. Dog. This is egg. Spelling is E-G-G. Egg. This is fan. Spelling is F-A-N. Fan. This is gun. Spelling is G-U-N. Gun. This is hat. Spelling is H-A-T. Hat. This is eyes. Spelling is I-C-E. Eyes. This is jug. Spelling is J-U-G. Jug. This is kid. Spelling is K-I-D. Kid. This is leg. Spelling is L-E-G. Leg. This is man. Spelling is M-A-N. Man. This is net. Spelling is N-E-T. Net. This is owl. Spelling is O-W-L. Owl. This is pen. Spelling is P-E-N. Pen. This is rat. Spelling is R-A-T. Rat. This is sun. Spelling is S-U-N. Sun. This is toy. Spelling is T-O-Y. Toy. This is van. Spelling is V-A-N. Van. This is wax. Spelling is W-A-X. Wax. This is U. Spelling is Y-O-U. U.